Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, and today we have an unboxing like nothing you've ever seen before on this channel. Just kidding, but there is a good chance I'm gonna need a blow dryer for what we're about to do. A couple weeks ago, I think right before Christmas time, Dbrand, which makes amazing skins and cases and grips and all sorts of fun stuff, it's the sassy company, I believe they're out of Canada, and Zack from Jerry Rigs Everything, who was known for diving deep and scratching and destroying and taking apart cell phones alike. They teamed up and they came out with a new little product line, and I could not help myself. I ordered just about everything that I could. So let's dig into this box and see what it is I ordered. Full disclosure, digging into this is going to be as much of a surprise for you as it is for me, because I ordered it so many weeks ago I forgot everything I have in there. So let's get to it. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's what I got. This is the Apple skin for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is actually what the inside of the iPhone 11 Pro Max looks like. And I believe you can take this and just put it on your case. So that way this becomes the case. And you can take it on and off and still enjoy the Dbrand case and the skin at the same time, because if you put the skin on, then you put a case on the skin, nobody sees the skin. So that's kind of like you got to put it on the outside. I believe that's what we have going on here. I'm not sure. This is kind of new. Done Dbrands before. They always perform really, really well on the channel, so that means you guys must like it. So I'll probably do an install video down the road. This is an iPhone 11 skin. It's not an 11 Pro. Looks like it lines up perfect, and this lines up perfect too, but I think one of these is for the case and the other one is to actually go on the phone. So that's what Dbrand actually did. They gave me 2 skins per purchase, which is not a bad deal. So I get one to go on the case, and then I get one to actually go on the phone. So best of both worlds, rocking it skinless, rocking it with the skin. Lots of options. This looks like this is for the Pixel 4 XL, and I don't think I got a case for the Pixel 4 XL. I just got a skin. Can't recall if they made a grip case for it or not. This is definitely not it. This is for the iPhone. So here is our Pixel 4 XL skin. Not nearly as exciting as the iPhone, if I do say so myself. You got a lot of white battery here, which isn't too exciting, but it is what it is. I wanted to see what these look like, and this is what they look like. So we've got 2 apples, 2 of these, this, and looks like I got 2 notes. One for the case and one for the actual phone. And I got some cool little imprinted terry cloths all the way through. So this is what it is. This is a Dbrand Skin unboxing with the grip and the skins that actually look like the inside of your phone. That's it for our unboxing video today. If you like what you saw today, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, well, there's a button for you too, but we don't encourage you to use that button. We don't even like to talk about it. If you're interested in seeing an install of this on the Dbrand grip case and on the phone itself, please go ahead and subscribe to that channel if you haven't so already. If you're already subscribed, thanks for being part of For the Love of Tech community. Till next time, For the Love of Tech, namaste.